Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are having a great day. Today's video is gonna be a slightly different because we're going to talk about food. One of my favorite things to do when we're still in the quarantine days. It's now nearly 8 p.m. in Madrid. I just finished up work and like many of you, I'm tired and super hungry. So in today's video, I want to share with you one recipe that I use it all the time in summer. That is Gazpacho, which is very popular cold soup in Spain. Very tasty and super easy to make. Gazpacho is very well known and popular cold soup in Spain, especially in summertime. The reason behind it is very simple because it's super tasty, easy to make, and also it has a lot of nutrient factor. For the ingredients, you can find them easily in all food store or supermarket. They are available whole round year and you can keep them in the fridge for a whole week. Now let's get started. For the ingredients, if you want to make the gazpacho for a whole week, then we will need 2 cucumbers, optional you can use watermelon, this is very nice option as well, 4 tomatoes, 1 red pepper, half of onion, 2 cloves of garlic, extra virgin olive oil, and vinegar, and then lastly salt and some water. So let's get started, it's gonna be fun. First of all, we will need to chop up all of the tomatoes into small chunks. And then we will do the same with the cucumber. But first of all, I want to peel up the skin of them because it's very hard. When you blend them, it's gonna remain like a small bit of cucumber with the skin, which is I don't like. We already have the gazpacho done. I already chilled it in the fridge for 20 minutes before serving, but if you want to have it straight away, remember to add some ice in the blender when we blend all the ingredients together. So now it's ready to go. Let's try it. I forgot one thing. Normally I will have it all, but today I make an exceptional. I prepare some topping for the gazpacho, make it more fancy and more inviting. For the topping, I already chopped some cucumber, and watermelon, but it's optional. You can add some red pepper or tomato, whatever left from the ingredient. And then also if you have basil, that will be great. If not, gazpacho goes well with mint as well. And I kind of hungry, so today I want to eat like an Andalusian style, so I add some bread. You got everything ready? I cannot wait. Are you hungry? Wow. It's absolutely fresh, tasty, juicy. At the same time, it's got the sweetness of cucumber, red pepper, and it's a bit sour because of vinegar. It's just a perfect combination for summer. Love it. Enjoy.